What if your robot vacuum could do more than just pick up dust and pet hair? Today we're reviewing the eufy Omni S2 Robot Vacuum and Mop, a premium cleaning system with 30,000 pascals suction, HydroJet 2.0 self-cleaning roller mopping, AI obstacle recognition, and a 12-in-1 uni clean station. And one of its biggest claims is 99.99% floor sterilization using electrolyzed water. But does this futuristic robot actually make everyday floor cleaning easier? Let's find out. The Omni S2 is designed as an all-in-one vacuum and mopping solution for busy homes. It combines powerful vacuum suction with a roller mop that cleans itself in real time, while the docking station handles tasks like mop washing, drying, dust collection, water management and detergent dispensing. The robot also uses 3D to F sensors, an RGB camera and AI-based recognition to identify more than 200 obstacle types and create detailed maps of your home. Let's start with vacuuming performance. The headline specification is 30,000 pascals of maximum suction, or 100 air watts, using eufy's AeroTurbo 2.0 system. That's designed to pick up everyday dust, debris and pet hair while maintaining suction performance over time through multi-cyclone separation and optimized airflow. For carpets, the S2 can automatically detect carpet thickness, increase cleaning performance and lift the mop to avoid wetting carpeted surfaces. eufy says it can handle carpets up to 2 inches or 5 centimeters thick. There's also a duo spiral anti-tangle brush system designed to reduce hair and fur wrapping around the brushes. The mopping system is where the Omni S2 becomes particularly interesting. Its HydroJet 2.0 roller mop applies up to 15 newtons of downward pressure and uses 32 water injection ports to continuously wash the roller while it cleans. Instead of repeatedly dragging a dirty mop across the floor, the roller is cleaned in real time. The system also uses electrolyzed water, and eufy says its sterilization performance has been independently certified at 99.99% under specified testing conditions. The mop can also extend toward edges and corners, with eufy's corner rover system designed to improve coverage along walls and hard-to-reach areas. In everyday use, the biggest advantage of the Omni S2 is automation. The 12-in-1 uni clean station can automatically empty dust, wash the mop with hot water, dry it with hot air, collect wastewater and dispense detergent. The station also uses dirt detection to determine whether the mop needs another cleaning cycle. Navigation is another strong point. The AI system is designed to recognize more than 200 types of obstacles and more than 40 types of messes, while creating a 3D map for more targeted cleaning. And for homes with thresholds, eufy lists support for crossing single thresholds up to about 3.5 centimeters and double thresholds up to about 4 centimeters. Of course, actual cleaning results will vary depending on flooring, room layout, debris and how the robot is configured. So, is the eufy Omni S2 worth buying? If you're looking for a premium robot that combines serious vacuum power, deep mopping, AI navigation and hands-free maintenance, the S2 is an impressive package. Its biggest highlights are the 30,000 pascals suction, HydroJet 2.0 roller mop, 15N mopping pressure, 99.99% sterilization claim, AI obstacle detection and 12-in-1 docking station. It's especially appealing for pet owners, busy families and anyone who wants to minimize daily vacuuming and mopping chores. The main question is whether you need this level of technology and automation, because the Omni S2 sits firmly in the premium category. But if your priority is powerful vacuuming, hygienic mopping and truly hands-off floor maintenance, the eufy Omni S2 is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available deals, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of robot vacuums, smart home technology, cleaning equipment and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.